Did you send a message on Instagram and immediately regret it? Don't worry, you can delete it for everyone. Here's exactly how to do it. First, open the Instagram app. Go to your messages inbox in the top right corner. Now open the conversation where you sent the message. Find the message you want to delete. Press and hold on that message bubble. A small menu will appear. Tap Unsend, then Confirm. And just like that, the message disappears from the chat for everyone. It will no longer be visible to the other person. But here's something important. You can only unsend messages that you sent. If someone else sent a message, you cannot delete it for them. Only they can remove their own message. Also, Instagram doesn't notify the other person when you unsend a message. But if they already saw it, of course, they'll know what it said. You can repeat this process for any other messages you want to remove. That's it. Quick and simple. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and updates.